So good morning, it's about 6 a.m. and I'm just heading to the Bureau of Immigration. It opens at 8, but my friend that's helping me with that said there might be a big queue, so it's better to be there early, so I'm not really sure how is it gonna go, but I will keep you updated. I still have to figure out how to tell time reliably because it says 3 minutes, but there's a big junction and that might take a long way to get through. So I don't know, if you have any tip how to get more accurate time of arrivals, yeah, let me know. It looks like that's the car. Morning. Okay, everyone, this is Kate, and tell us please, what are we going to do today?
I'm going to help Simon to get his iCard. So today we're just going to apply it first. Not yet sure if we can obtain the physical card right away. And I hope we can do it, all of it today.
Yeah, that would be lovely.
Yes.
Yeah, anyway, thank you so much for helping me with it already.
You're welcome, it's my pleasure.
Hi. Morning. Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Morning. iCard, sir.
Window 6. Check your bag.
Hey, Mom.
Your bag.
Okay, so the mission was not really successful. We are not able to get it, but we are gonna debrief over breakfast and figure out what's the plan next. Okay, I'm back from the bureau. I went for a swim. It was so refreshing after whole day at the offices. In the end, it took us 7 hours. We spent 2 hours at the bureau, and then we went to 8 different branches of banks. So it was a long time. At the end, I didn't get the ACRI card, but I get a bank card. Basically, all my assumptions were correct. You can apply voluntarily for the ACRI card, but in order to get it, you would need to have already accepted the visa waiver, which I don't have yet. So I would need to return tomorrow or the day after, and then it's not gonna take 3 days but 7 days, and that would mean basically another week and a half in Manila, and I'm not really keen on doing that. So what we tried to do instead is Kate, the girl that was helping me, she actually opened an account in her name, but I have the actual login details and I will be using that. Now I need to transfer the funds there and then can I withdraw without fee, and that's really gonna come in handy because I am going to buy a car later and the fees would add up. Yeah, I will probably make another video talking more in detail about actually the process I did from landing here to actually getting the car. But yeah, we are working on it and it's a good progress. Good morning, so it's finally time to leave Manila, and to make travel more interesting I'm gonna be taking quite a lot of cash with me. I have this. There is a lot, but still it's not nearly enough what I need. Also there is this very strange looking luggage, because on the flight here I had actually 2 luggages on as a carry-on, but now the skateboard and other stuff is not allowed in the Cebu Pacific, so I actually put it all inside. But it still should fit, so hopefully it's all good. Okay, so just landed in Bacolod. I'm already on my way to a hotel. It was really just a few minutes from the plane, very small airport but very quick, and the plan is to meet up straight away with Wea, that's my friend from the last time, and we're gonna go see the car straight away. I'm not gonna be buying it yet, but just I want to start, or like just get talking, and we will see where it goes. So right, so I just checked into my room. It's like super simple and kind of a little bit punk, but the price was crazy cheap, so I just had to take it. Yeah, it's actually pretty okay. A room, and there are doors that lead like nowhere. There is a small bathroom. Yeah, it's quite a bit downgrade from the last place, but yeah, I think it will do. Okay, let's try to call the owner and see what happens. Hey.
Glad to see you again. So are we going to the shop?
They're waiting for us, so we can
We
go.
can go, yeah, we can go now.
Good evening. So it was pretty rough and long day. I went to see maybe like 8 cars. I first wanted to be recording some, but then it got like super it was super hectic, so I took my camera away and just focused on the cars and on the talking with the people, because it was a bit crazy. But in the end I think it's successful. I found a car I like. We agreed that I will buy it. Tomorrow we will meet up again to do the payments on the contract, and I should have a car, and the day after I can drive out. This is really crazy. I'm super excited. Well, yeah, it's been a long day and it's been super hot. It was like 40 degrees out, and the cars here, man, it's crazy. Like, there are no regulations, so you can do whatever with your car, so the possibilities are like huge. And the process itself looks like it's gonna be very easy. I thought there might be some issues with that I'm a foreigner, but as it looks like, they usually do it that it stays under the name of the first owner, and they have an open deed of sale, as they call it, and then only sign like a little agreement that there is a new buyer. I don't fully like legally understand it, but basically you just need a passport, write a few things down, and then it's yours. Also the insurance stays. So the important thing to note is the registration. That's obligatory, as I understood. It needs to be renewed every year. There is small fee and maybe an emission check, like some say yes, some say no, but this car has it till October, so I should be good and not having to worry about it. And the good thing is, like, when you look at the license plate, the last number is the month of which it needs to be renewed, so that's a super easy way how to find out where was the car registered. Hopefully it would all work out tomorrow. Okay, so I guess we are doing this. This is so crazy. Look at this amount of money, it's ridiculous. Like, how do I even carry such money? It's much larger than the wallet. Oh. Yeah, I am a bit nervous. Okay, so how crazy is this? I actually bought a car in the Philippines, and this thing is actually mine. Wow. Feels so crazy. Yeah, let's go.